Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying RAID configuration and confirming you have a reliable backup. This prevents data loss during rebuilds. Once done, identify a compatible replacement drive. Matching capacity and performance speeds rebuilds faster. Make sure to stop active services and gracefully shut down your QNAP through the Web UI or Power button. Powering off avoids hot swap confusion when your model doesn't support it. You do these steps now to minimize risk and set up a controlled, predictable. You remove the failed drive by opening the tray latch and pulling straight out to avoid bending contacts. Label bays so you don't swap slots accidentally. Next, mount the replacement drive in the tray or caddy, tighten screws evenly, and slide it into the same bay until it seats firmly. Then power on the NAS, log into QTS, and navigate to storage and snapshots to confirm the system detects the new drive. This is where rebuilds are initiated automatically or manually, depending on your RAID. You monitor the rebuild progress closely in Storage Manager, noting % complete and any warning flags. Performance will be slower, so avoid heavy workloads. Once rebuild reaches 100%, run smart and file integrity checks to verify drive health and data consistency, because silent errors can persist. If you see errors or the array fails to recover, power down, reseat the drive and cables, and attempt rebuild again. If that doesn't work, collect system logs and contact QNAP support. This gives technicians the diagnostics they need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.